Welcome to today's Explainer. I am so thrilled to guide you through a topic that's basically rewiring how the modern enterprise operates. We're talking about the explosive, and I mean literally explosive adoption of artificial intelligence. Look across any major sector right now: finance, healthcare, global manufacturing. AI-powered systems are absolutely taking over. We're seeing intelligent automation, predictive analytics, digital assistants, and massive machine learning models crunching unimaginable volumes of data. It's fast, it's dynamic, and it's a total game changer for the global business landscape. But, with all that incredible power comes a massive, urgent need for control. And that is exactly what we're going to unpack today.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it frames the ultimate executive dilemma. On the left side, you've got the immense business benefits of AI. We're talking faster decisions, unprecedented efficiency, rapid innovation. It's a massive competitive advantage. That's why every organization is racing to integrate it. But flip that coin. On the right side, the risks are expanding at the exact same pace. Just imagine an AI system unknowingly rejecting loan applications based on biased data, or an automated customer service bot spitting out outright misinformation. Bam! Suddenly you're dealing with crippling reputational damage and the kind of regulatory scrutiny that keeps leaders up at night. The very tool driving your competitive edge can simultaneously lay out these severe legal and operational landmines.
So, to navigate all of this, we have a highly structured agenda today. First, we'll look at the AI risk reality. 2, introducing ISO 42001. 3, the 4 pillars of governance. 4, a 6-step implementation roadmap. And finally, number 5, building trusted AI systems. This is a really logical, comprehensive plan to help you mitigate these risks today. Let's jump in.
Section 1, the AI risk reality. Uncovering the dangers.
Okay, we need to slow down for just a second here and confront a pretty harsh reality. As AI capabilities rapidly expand, these threats aren't just theoretical anymore. They are incredibly real. AI systems can produce completely unexpected outcomes. They can amplify existing bias, generate misinformation, operate with a scary lack of transparency, and obviously create massive privacy concerns. And here's the real check. While AI might assist in your decision-making, it is the organization, not the algorithm, that remains legally, ethically, and operationally accountable for every single output. If your AI makes a critical mistake, the AI doesn't pay the regulatory fines or face the public backlash, right? Your organization does.
Section 2, introducing ISO 42001, the global AI standard. So, the crucial point is, how do executives actually sleep at night with all this risk? Well, by shifting from chaos to structure. Enter ISO 42001. This is essential. It's the world's first international standard for artificial intelligence management systems, or AIMS for short. It gives organizations a structured, rigorous framework for responsible AI governance. This isn't just a set of loose, nice-to-have guidelines. It's an internationally recognized standard carrying serious executive weight. It's really the ultimate guiding framework to make sure that when you integrate AI, you're doing it safely, systematically, and responsibly. Section 3, the 4 pillars of governance. Core structures.
To really grasp how ISO 42001 protects an organization, we're going to break this complex standard down into 4 super logical, digestible pillars of protection. Think of them as the structural foundation of your AI strategy. Pillar 1 is governance. This is all about establishing effective structures, clear roles, responsibilities, and oversight of AI throughout its entire life cycle. Safe AI doesn't actually start with the data scientists, it starts right in the boardroom. Leadership teams absolutely have to drive this first pillar by establishing strict policies, setting up oversight committees, and creating crystal clear accountability from the very top down. Honestly, without strong leadership governance, the rest of the system just collapses.
Moving on to Pillar 2, risk management. This part of the standard enables organizations to identify, assess, treat, and continuously monitor AI-related risks way before they ever impact your customers or employees. I kind of want you to picture this pillar as an active, always-on dashboard. It uses risk assessments and control mechanisms to constantly scan the horizon, basically making sure any anomaly or potential threat is neutralized long before it becomes a public liability. Next up is Pillar 3, ethics and trustworthiness. ISO 42001 heavily promotes fairness, transparency, explainability, privacy protection, and ethical use. Instead of treating ethics like some vague abstract concept,
This is where you actually see diverse teams actively reviewing models, doing rigorous fairness testing, and utilizing review boards. Why? Because this pillar is 100% focused on building fundamental trust and confidence in your AI-enabled decisions. Simply put, if your stakeholders suspect bias, they aren't going to adopt your tech. It really is that simple.
And finally, Pillar 4, accountability and human oversight. I literally cannot emphasize this enough. This standard makes it crystal clear that humans remain accountable. It's what we call the human-in-the-loop concept. Look, AI can compute vast amounts of data and spit out incredibly fast recommendations, sure, but humans must govern that process. We have to maintain appropriate control and actually validate those recommendations before any decisions are made. Bottom line, the machine advises, but the human decides. Section 4, Implementation Roadmap, 6 key steps. Okay, let's dive into this. How do you actually get this done in the real world? Implementing ISO 42001 involves 6 chronological steps. Let's walk right through them. Step 1, establish your AI governance and secure absolute leadership commitment. Step 2, define the exact scope of your AI management system. Step 3, identify your stakeholders, know your legal obligations, and map out those risks. Step 4, develop your policies, control mechanisms, and AI principles. Step 5, implement robust monitoring and performance evaluation. And finally, Step 6, conduct continual improvement through regular audits and reviews. The beauty of this framework is that it's designed to just slot seamlessly right into your existing corporate compliance programs. Section 5, Building Trusted AI Systems. Sustainable Trust. So, what's the ultimate why for your organization here? Well, by embracing ISO 42001, you unlock 4 core outcomes. You govern AI responsibly, you reduce your risk, you strengthen compliance, and you create sustainable trust. It's really about becoming an innovative enterprise that can confidently harness the incredible power of AI without constantly looking over your shoulder. And you can do that precisely because you've put the right executive oversight and management systems firmly in place. Which brings us to this powerful final summary statement from the Artificial Intelligence Management System Framework: responsible AI, trusted AI, governed AI. I think that perfectly encapsulates the whole mission. And Effective AIMS builds trust. It manages your risk, and it guarantees total accountability. And by doing all of those things, it safely enables the rapid innovation your company needs to survive and thrive. So I'll leave you with this final, slightly provocative thought to consider as you evaluate your own enterprise operations today. Take a look at the systems you're currently deploying or building. Is your AI governed or just guessing? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer on ISO 42001, and I highly encourage you to look deeper into your organization's AI management strategy today. Catch you next time.